How billionaires legally avoid taxes in the US. Imagine being the richest person in the world and paying less in taxes than your mail carrier. That's not a joke. The US billionaires have found 100% legal ways to pay nothing. Today I'm breaking down 5 real stories of how America's richest, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, even Donald Trump, legally avoid paying federal income tax. And the best part? Some of these strategies might work for your business too. Hello everyone, I'm Ina Volovic. I am an IRS enrolled agent in USA. I help freelancers, business owners, and high-income earners legally lower their tax bills, and today I'm exposing how the ultra-rich play the tax game. These aren't conspiracies. These are real IRS filings backed by investigations from ProPublica and the New York Times. So let's dive in. How the wealthy avoid paying taxes and not breaking the law, and what you can learn from it. Case number 1, Jeff Bezos. In 2007 and again in 2011, Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, paid zero in federal income tax. Here's how he pulled it off. He reported a modest salary, around $80,000 a year. He didn't sell his Amazon stock, so no capital gains were triggered. He claimed investment losses to offset any taxable income. And get this, he even qualified for child tax credit because his reported income was so low. On paper, he looked like a middle-class earner. Meanwhile, his wealth skyrocketed, and everything he did, 100% legal. Case number 2, Elon Musk. In 2018, Elon Musk also paid zero in federal income tax. His method was genius. He takes no salary. Instead, he borrows against Tesla stock, pulling out millions in tax-free cash via loans. Why does this work? Because loans aren't taxable income, even if they are in millions. Also, his Tesla shares keep growing in value, but he didn't sell them. And as long as you don't sell them, the IRS cannot touch unrealized gains. This is how Elon Musk lives like a billionaire without triggering taxes. Case number 3, Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway. Warren Buffett once says, "I pay lower taxes than my secretary," and he's right. Buffett earns most of his income from qualified dividends and long-term capital gains, which are taxed just as 15 to 20% instead of up to 37% like regular income. He also rarely sells his investments, so most of his wealth just grows tax deferred. And when he donates billions to charity. That is also reduces his taxable income. Buffett's strategy is simple. Don't sell, pay less, give smart. Case number 4, Donald Trump. Let's talk about Donald Trump. In both 2016 and 2017, according to New York Times, Trump paid only $750 in federal income taxes. Here's how. He claimed massive business losses, especially from his real estate ventures and casinos. He used those losses to offset future income for years. He deducted everything from travel to private residences, calling them business expenses. Even his family members were reportedly on payroll, which allowed him to shift income in tax-friendly way. Every move was aggressive but legal under current tax law. Case number 5, Facebook, Meta, and offshore loopholes. It's not just individuals. Companies like Facebook, now Meta, use international tax strategies to avoid paying US corporate taxes. They moved their intellectual properties like code and patterns to Ireland, where corporate tax rates are super low. Then came the infamous double Irish with Dutch sandwich. Revenue flows from the US to Ireland. then to the Netherlands, and finally to Bermuda, where the tax rate is 0. That allowed Meta to pay less than 5% on global profits for years, and all legally. Even though this loophole is now closed, billions were saved before the door was shut. So, what can you take away from this even if you're not a billionaire? Here are the core tax strategies the wealthy use that you can legally apply. Don't sell assets unless you have to. Unrealized gains, no taxes. Use investment losses to offset your income. Borrow strategically, not earn. Loans aren't taxable. Start an S corporation or an LLC to manage income and expenses. Make smart charitable contributions that reduces your tax bill. These aren't loopholes, they're strategies, but built into the tax code. The rich don't cheat the system. They understand it better than most. If you want to lower your tax bill for 2025 without risks, book a free consultation with me today using the link below. I'll help you create a tax strategy that works whether you're a freelancer, real estate investor, or small business owner. If you found this video an eye-opening, like it, subscribe, and comment below which billionaire strategy surprises you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.